Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to create Gelato phone case designs. So first and foremost, you just have to go to your Gelato, create an account and connect your Gelato to a store like Etsy. Okay, you can also select Wix, everything is up to you. Now, what you're going to do here, once you have connected to a store, is you're going to look for a product. So let's just say this time you're going to look for phone cases. So you can look for cases right here or phone. Then you should see a template and you can now create order, or I should say start designing. Now inside the Gelato, you can see here tools that can help you create or design your phone case. So all you have to do is go to the left side. You will see here text. You will see here template and then graphics, stickers. You can also add effects to your text. So for example, if you want to add stickers right here, you can also adjust that sticker. You can adjust the graphic and so on. So this is what it looks like, and I know you can do better than this. But if you want to create other designs using other platform or editing tools such as Canva, yes, it's possible. So all you have to do is to create an account in Canva, then create a design. In the design section in Canva, you have to look for the phone cases, and Canva will give you samples of design for phone cases. What you're going to do is you have to tap on share and then upload this. You can also tap the transparent, remove transparent, something like that. And then go back to your Gelato, upload this design and then fit this to your iPhone case. So as a result, this is what it looks like, and you can design, you can edit, you can add a more elements and designs to your phone case. So I'm going to adjust this one right here, and then after that, you can now publish this one and you can now sell this to your store. Basically, that's how easy it is to create Gelato phone case designs. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.